What's up, guys? Just wanted to make another quick update video. As you can see, the Z is not here right now, and that is because it is actually in the shop getting diagnosed for the misfire. I've been trying a bunch of stuff and I just can't figure it out, so I went ahead and took it in. So I'll tell you guys if they figure out anything. Honestly, I don't know if they've made any progress yet. I called them yesterday and they haven't really done much on it, so we'll go ahead and see, give them a couple days, see if they can figure out what the problem is. But I wanted to make an update video basically on what I've gotten recently, and it's actually pretty cool. This is a splash guard underneath. Let me go and focus that real quick. I got this from z31parts.com. I'm going to put a link in the description as well as on the screen right now, just in case I got that wrong. But basically this was 120 bucks, and pretty much what it does is it goes underneath the engine bay and it screws into the factory place. It actually came with these from factory, a little bit different, but the same idea. And a lot of them just got taken off for some reason. So I went ahead and got this, and basically the main advantages are really, it's just going to keep your engine bay a lot cleaner, and I don't know, some sort of aerodynamics at higher speeds. But really I just wanted my engine bay to stop getting so much dust in it. So behind it, if you can't see, that's my radiator. And I know a lot of you guys have been waiting for tutorial update videos on how I did my cooling system. And as soon as I get my Z back, I'll be able to do that. I put the new radiator in and sent it off to the shop, and that was last Thursday. So I haven't really had a lot of time to get anything done with it because I've been trying to get it diagnosed and figure everything out. But I will be making that as soon as I get it back. So that's that, guys. That's the old radiator right there, the one's all clogged. I don't really know what to do with it, so I just have it sitting here. But I do want to show you guys right here in these red boxes. If you follow my YouTube page, you might know, you might have seen these actually a while ago. They're actually end rod links for the steering. And basically the boots on mine were torn all the way around. Let me go ahead and pull one out real quick and I'll show you what they look like. Alright, so here's what it looks like. Basically the boot on my old one, my current one, is torn all the way around. So it's actually it feels fine right now because I don't think it's been driven, and I think it tore probably when I bought it, and I haven't driven it that much. But when they tear, they get dirt in there and it starts grinding away the bearing, and it'll start not working very well. So I went ahead and got some new ones. The only difference with these, I got these from Rock Auto, and these ones are actually slightly longer than the ones that I have on there right now. So what that means is I'm going to need to go, and I was going to do this anyway, but I'm going to get aligned. So I'm going to go ahead and put these on. When I put them on, I'll show you guys how to roughly get it back to where it should be. It's going to take a little bit of measuring, a little bit of math, but hopefully we'll be able to get these in place so that I can at least drive and get it aligned before it rips up my tires or anything. So that's that. This box right here, it actually might be a little bit difficult to see. Right in there, I actually have a new ECU. New is a relative term. This is a 1984, and it's for a manual. And if you guys follow me, you know my car is an automatic. So basically, this is me gearing up for a manual transmission swap. And I'm super excited. I haven't been able to get the transmission yet, but that is one of the next things that I will be doing, because it is just going to be so much more fun with a manual in it. And I will take you guys through exactly how to do it, what wires need to be changed or whatever, how to put the new mounting plate on, take out the torque converters, etc. So we'll go ahead and put that on. So I'm super excited. I'm also going to use this. If they can't figure out what the misfire is at the shop, I'll put it in and see if it's maybe just the ECU is fried or something. And just so you guys know, if you have a auto ECU and you swap to a manual, I've actually heard you don't need to buy a new ECU. So there's a little tip I didn't realize before I got this. So if you have a good ECU and it runs fine, you can go and put the manual transmission in and it'll be perfectly fine. It doesn't matter at all. So there you guys go. That's pretty much all I've got right now, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and like I said, as soon as I get my Z back, I'll be able to go ahead and update you guys. I just really haven't had it for the last week or so, and it's killing me inside. I keep trying to buy one. There was one on Craigslist I was trying to get because it had a new new clutch in the manual transmission, but the guy overpriced it too much, so I couldn't get it. So that's where we're at, guys. If you have any questions on any of my other builds, go ahead and remember leave questions in the description. And basically, guys, that's all I have for you today. As always, I will show you, and go ahead and follow me on Instagram if you want to get updates as soon as I can. Whenever I get my car back, I'll probably put a couple videos on there of me driving it down the highway, because it is just so much fun. When I drove it there, it did great. It didn't overheat with the new radiator and cooling system in. And so I'm just really psyched about that, guys. So there you go. I hope you guys have a great day, and remember, like this video, and also turn on notifications if you want to get notifications from my channel. So there you go, guys, and see you later.